Believe it or not, it is time to enroll your student for the upcoming school year. Here at Jeffco Public Schools, we use a system called EnrollJeffco to enroll students and manage choice enrollment applications. Let's take a look at what you'll need to do. The first step is to determine where you would like your student to attend next year. For most families, this is an easy decision because their student will return to their current school or they will attend their neighborhood school as they move up to the next level. Some families, though, may want to explore other educational options for their child. If you're looking for helpful information about all the great schools and programs Jeffco has to offer, please access our easy-to-use School Finder tool. To do this, just go to EnrollJeffco.org, click on the School Finder button, and begin your search from there. Within the School Finder, you can find information about schools near you, including your neighborhood schools, special programs throughout the district, and other offerings you may be interested in, like before and after school care. If possible, we always recommend visiting any school you're interested in, as getting a good look and feel of the school's culture is one of the best ways to inform your decision. Now that you know where you'd like your child to attend next year, let's go on to step number 2. The second step to enrolling your child is to log in to the EnrollJeffco system and tell us your plans. In order to log in to EnrollJeffco, you'll need to have handy your username and password that was established in Jeffco Connect when you first enrolled in our district. If you are new to Jeffco and do not already have an account, don't worry, we'll show you how. Just visit jeffcopublicschools.org/Jeffco Connect and click on the Jeffco Connect button. From there, follow the steps to establish a Jeffco Connect account. Once that's done, you'll have what you need to log in to EnrollJeffco. Let's do it! To begin, go to EnrollJeffco.org and click on the button titled Log In To EnrollJeffco. Using your Jeffco Connect username and password, you will log in and then see a tile for each of your school-aged children. Pick a kid and click on Apply Now. Follow the prompts until you've completed the process for your first child, and then repeat the process for any and all remaining school-aged kids you have. If your child will be attending his or her anticipated school for the upcoming school year, then your work is all done here. Your child has been enrolled and no action will be needed from you until August, when it is time to do final registration at the school. If your child has applied to one or more choice schools, you have just one more step in the EnrollJeffco application process. The third step to enrollment in Jeffco Public Schools is only relevant for families who have applied to attend a choice school. At the end of January, each school's lottery will be run to determine which students will receive offers to attend. Lotteries are only necessary if there are more applicants than available seats, so many times schools are able to offer enrollment to all of their Round 1 applicants. The last week in January, all families who applied to one or more choice schools will receive notification via the EnrollJeffco portal and email. These notifications will let families know if the school has a spot for your child, or if your child has been placed on the wait list. If your child receives an enrollment offer, you will have 3 calendar days to either accept the offer or decline it. Please know that you may only accept one offer to ensure we can give seats to as many students as possible. If your child has been waitlisted, he or she will remain on that wait list until one of two things happen. Either you remove their name from the list or the school offers a spot to your student. If your student is waitlisted at all the schools to which you applied, the EnrollJeffco team will go ahead and enroll him or her at their anticipated school. Their anticipated school is either their current school or their neighborhood school, depending on what grade they're in. You do not need to do anything further. So let's review. First, determine where your child will attend or where you would like them to attend. Between December 10th and January 15th, use the EnrollJeffco system to either enroll at your anticipated school or apply to one or more choice schools. And lastly, accept or decline any enrollment offer your student might receive. If you run into trouble with any of these 3 steps, feel free to call the front office of your student's current school or any school which you're interested in. Jeffco school-based registrars will be happy to lend a helping hand. On behalf of the EnrollJeffco team and all district staff, Thanks for watching and happy enrolling!